But in a way, ATAAKA not disappointed in you. Ka feel like arbitrary on be command in legimo bala. Because never I'm a Maccasio that nye chance and no collaboration. Ka video one I'm quoting from ATAAKA. Video one like ATAAKA Maccasio that ATAAKA punchline shall nara feel lepam. Never be kon da na command any rapper to miss the best rapper be able to miss nara feel la punchline mapam. Is it true that Arashida Maccasio lela be Wulandanya Wulaka Dakarakat Dilla Filata Maccasio?
Well, Yamale, first of all, come on the monitoring ma. Born in Zampi, Kanomba sorry pa for la Benma.
Okay.
I cannot to you. Manera Kolishama Kalaka Nirbada Pole.
Okay.
Cause Hanka Lanyama.
Okay.
So to me, Malavisha rap punia. Any rapper, Mina Isha rapper Turtava. Katuma punchline shell Karinuma. Come Biatuni. The Batun know something that will show that, yeah, the Chama. The tune know something that, oh, wow, nice punchline. Oh, I like it. So the tune take look, come and jam away. So, Manila meet Maccasio, cut tailor punchline, ma.
Okay.
Come with that. Is directing to some massa.
A massa, okay.
So Cambon and Chobang da Nyele.
Okay.
Mbang that ATAAKA ko yarma.
Okay.
To bang that ya tenunko yarma.
Okay.
By game and yele.
Okay.
I like that part. Nuntigo that can reflect to mine.
Oh, mind.
But it's not. Come on, mbon and disrespect ATAAKA ni man just because me Maccasio no connections or parents and tease massa. No, I'm not that person.
Okay, so it's true that ara yell but the player are minimum like I'm not happy with love.
Now you look by on that exam punchline share to massa. You check club. You your best rapper can use. I go to me so. You check la line mapam. I'm a mean rapper meeting. At least. The good to know, all the favorite song from Maccasio is Crocodile, but the good to know, aku number shakara would have monitor in here. They come out, you like old stuff. So out of Benin, never took when Yagan well. Loud didn't man that can
okay.
So that there are play intentional.
Okay. So Minara no happy ya. I'm a Maccasio no collaboration ma like can be to canon happy. Come me and yelsha.
Kaku born in Cho understand that I like old punchline shell.
Okay.
So didn't that ku yinan well.
Okay.
To be frankly, I'm it wasn't my intention.
Okay, but ATAAKA, I was not happy with that because no made the video, no made the evidence.
We're not happy with that. We're not happy, and okay. Apologize, Mami. They are going to be shama. Kala kamanda meaning.
Okay.
Because ATAAKA is someone when you're really at tablema. Unkuto tabgo.
Okay.
Omega kuto tabguma.
Okay.
So zilimin yina na biyan maya. But aside that, in ATAAKA problem.
Okay. I'm normal vibe.
Minokumal vibe.
Okay.
Minokumal vibe.
Okay.
So when Bubshama, Bandan Balama,
okay.
That's what we even want them to then lakat and born of a bubble.
Okay.
So that bad cat limitawa can meet into the Tumamasham.
Okay. But like to another Yanaga, Amita ATAAKA personal like and to understand the command like around Mina Bensha Anangma.
Well, that don't being jelly.
Okay.
But I only pay from only pay me too.
Okay.
But
okay.
Don't go shamba.
The shotgun sort here now.
Yeah.
Wow, beautiful. Catch it. The pom that like apazang la Maccasio na tai ATAAKA.
Maccasio is one of the northern rap kings. So
one of the
northern rap kings. I can't really make a post here on social media. Maccasio, I was with the northern rap king. Maccasio is a northern rap king.
Okay.
ATAAKA is northern rap king. Dundee is northern rap king.
Okay.
And overall, my best rapper.
Okay. Overall,
I'll be the best rapper
wow.
from northern region.
Wow.
You know, rapper on a you trust your process. You trust what you are doing. And I trust that I'm the best rapper in northern region.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
Beautiful.